Welcome back to WJCL 22 Morning News. It is 6:12 and a beautiful start we're seeing this morning. No rain, good weather for that commute. We'll detail more of today's hot forecast, but let's track the tropics for you. September is, of course, the busiest month for the tropical season. We're definitely been seeing it, of course, with Dorian, and now we're tracking three tropical systems in the Atlantic. One is Jerry right here, no longer a fully tropical system. We'll continue to weaken throughout the daytime today, poorly organized. Here's Tropical Storm Karen just north of Puerto Rico, and the fifth hurricane of the 2019 hurricane season, Lorenzo, right there. Lorenzo's on his way to become a major hurricane probably by the end of the week. Let's detail more of Karen right here. Is bringing some heavy rains overnight last night to parts of Puerto Rico and kind of poorly organized. You can see a flare up of showers and storms off to the north of Puerto Rico. And the latest track from the National Hurricane Center, typically don't see this with these tropical systems, is moving north right now at 14 miles per hour. Maximum winds are 45. It should strengthen a little bit over the next several days, but notice it moves north Thursday here. It makes a clockwise loop from Friday into Saturday, and then by Sunday, Monday, moving back off to the west or maybe even west southwest as it moves closer to the Bahamas by the middle of next week. A lot of uncertainty, not so much with the track. I really believe it'll move back to the west next week, but the uncertainty comes with how strong it'll be by Wednesday into the end of next week as it nears the Bahamas and maybe even the southeast coast of the United States. And some of the models do dissipate it completely as it moves westward due to lots of dry air. Karen will definitely be fighting that, but there is favorable conditions across near the Bahamas and off the southeast coast by next week for development. So that's why there's some uncertainty. This, of course, we'll be tracking Karen very closely as we go throughout, especially the rest of this week and even into next week as well. And here's Lorenzo, a hurricane. Winds right now are at 80 miles per hour. It should become a Category 3 hurricane there on Friday. Could even become even a little stronger, but the Hurricane Center is showing towards the end of this for Sunday and Monday of next week, and Lorenzo will have no impact on land. Always remember, you can keep up with the tropics throughout the daytime. You can do it for free at our website, WJCL.com. Our forecast today, definitely a hot one for us starting out as we look live this morning. Some hazy skies, 77. There is more humidity this morning than we've seen the last several days. A little breeze out of the south at 6 miles per hour. Upper 60s for Statesboro, Metter, also for Alma as well, but most of it's running between about 70 and 75 degrees. It is warmer at the beachfront there for Hilton Head and Tybee, coming in closer to 80, upper 70s for Ridgeland, and we're seeing temperature at 70 there for Glenville. Live radar showing no rain and actually almost completely clear other than some patchy clouds this morning. We're going to see a good deal of sunshine throughout a good part of the morning. All the active weather across the Midwest there, moving across parts of Indiana and Illinois. Looking at our forecast for today, we'll see temperatures of close to 10 degrees above average this afternoon. Very similar to yesterday, 95 to 96 degrees from Reedsville down to Blackshear, 95 in Hinesville this afternoon, 95 also for Statesboro and Claxton. Springfield over to Pooler, about 95. Richmond Hill, 94. 90 degrees at Skidaway today. Good weather at the beachfront for Hilton Head, 86. Now, there is a moderate rip current risk for area beaches. That is due to the easterly swell. Remember, we've had several tropical systems in the Atlantic, so we'll continue seeing those seas up over the next couple of days there for the beachfront. 92 for Beaufort this afternoon and 93 for Hampton. Certified most accurate 7-day forecast. Hot weather continues on Thursday, 94. 92 on Friday as we wrap up the work weekend. Just a small chance for a shower on Friday afternoon. Making plans for the weekend. Great weather for outdoor activities. Around 90 degrees with mostly sunny skies and a little better chance for maybe a few showers for Monday and Tuesday of next week.
All right.